Hi, hello, greetings to you all. I am VPN Murthy. Today I am going to speak about the fascinating aspect of financial accountancy, that is, the emerging trends in accounting. The most emerging trends in accounting is all about the digital transformation of accounting. So, digital transformation is taking place everywhere, be it an education sector, be it a hospital services, be it a transportation, be it a manufacturing industry, any industry for that matter, digital transformation is all pervasive. It is cutting across all the sectors. Any organization which is not recognizing the digitalization process is destined to doom. Therefore, it is very essential for the organization to transform itself digitally so that it can meet the aspirations of the organization, customer, and all the stakeholders, because their benefits lies with the digitalization. So digitalization is the need of the hour. Therefore, even the processes of organizations is being digitalized. Accounting is one such process in the organization which is digitalized of late. So according to consulting firm Accenture, automation, mini bots, machine learning, and adaptive intelligence are becoming part of the financial team at lightning speed. So, what it says is all the financial transactions are being digitalized, automated, implementation of machine learning, mini bots, and adaptive intelligence so that the quality of information being delivered is enhanced. It is being said that the digital transformation of accounting is maintaining its own nature in the organization. In this session, I am going to speak about the introduction, meaning and definition, types, and benefits of digital transformation. So, as I've already told you, it's all about the automation, mini bots, machine learning, and adaptive intelligence. And it is being said that accounting is the language of business. Since the information is delivered to the stakeholders, the information is wealth. The creation of wealth lies with the quality of information. So, here we are going to discuss what is meant by digital accounting. So, accounting as a whole is all about representation of data. This representation of data, if it is done through electronic media, through electronic format, then it's called digital accounting. Unlike traditional method where the information is delivered using papers, using books, using traditional conventional method of delivering. When it is done using electronic format, then we can call it digital accounting. To ease the digital accounting process, computers and accounting softwares is being used. Accounting softwares like Tally, SAP, and many more is to our rescue to help to digitalize the accounting process. This digital accounting is an integral part of digital transformation of any organization. In order to understand what is meant by the digital transformation, digital transformation is all about integration of digital technologies, as I have already told you, computers, electronic gadgets, mobiles, Android based mobiles for that matter, and business processes. Business processes includes manifold activities. It involves production, it involves human resource management, it involves inventory management, accounting, and many more. When all this is integrated with digital technologies, Internet of Things, and other digital technologies, then the whole process is called as digital transformation. The recent developments, if you see in digital technologies, have provided organization with the requisite tools to embark on digital transformation of a wide range of business processes and activities. You name any organization now, all organization is embracing digitalization. If you see Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, Adidas, or TCS, or Accenture, E&Y, understanding, any organization for that matter, is being digitalized. Especially during this pandemic, COVID-19, digital transformation has gained momentum. You're all hearing this class. The class itself is a part of digital transformation of education system. Therefore, digital transformation is here to stay. We have to embrace it. We have to accept or we will perish. That is what the process is all about. So digital transformation refers to strategic process of integrating digital technology into different areas of business to change its processes. So whether any process is being changed because of digitalization, it's not that way. The thing is, the digital technology, the devices, softwares, applications are being used in the process of the business. So what are the types of digital transformation that are taking place in the business world? There are 4 important transformations that are being discussed in this business world. The first is process transformation. Here, the process, a particular process is being digitalized. The very aspect of process digitalization is to reinvent business processes so that it can lower costs, improve quality, and also reduce the time of delivering these services. There are many companies which have implemented robotic processes automation to simplify their back office processes. For example, if you see, SBI has introduced a chatbot named ELA, which helps to deliver the frequently asked questions through chatbots. Thereby, it reduces the human intervention and the mundane activities will be taken care of by these gadgets. Thereby, the human resources can concentrate on more skill-based activity that will help to increase the morale of the employee. There is one more transformation that is being discussed is business model transformation. When it comes to the process transformation, it only concentrates on the limited area of the business. A particular process is being digitalized, leaving other process taken care of by the traditional way of doing business. Whereas the business model transformation aims at the foundational building blocks of how value is delivered in a specific industry. It speaks about the entire business is being transformed into digitalization. We have many examples for that matter where the digitalization is a part and parcel of the organization. For example, any online business like Amazon, Meesho, or whatever, or Uber, or Ola, all this are business model transformation. They have embraced digitalization to deliver their service. The next comes the domain transformation. Here, a particular organization which is involved in some sort of business will enter into a new domain altogether. The best example is Amazon. Amazon has launched its Amazon Web Services, whereby it gives its client a SaaS, a software as a service, and by virtue of cloud computing and building the necessary infrastructure, it is able to give the web services to its clients. And also, if you see this cloud computing or the web services, initially it was the IBM and Microsoft which was ruling the world of web services being given as a part of cloud computing. Now even Amazon has entered this field to tap the huge potential that is lying in this business. The next is the organizational transformation. It is a redefining of organization mindsets, process, talent and capabilities for the digital world. It is always needed to achieve long-term digital transformation for any industry. The most successful corporation recognize digital transformation, and it requires flexible workflow, a decentralized decision-making process, unbiased between testing and learning, and a greater reliance on different business ecosystems. See here, when you have this digitalization, you can bring in flexible workflow. There will not be a stringent top-down approach or bottom-up approach. Here, everything is decentralized. There will be a level jump in order to bring in efficiency. So thereby, it will help to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization, and thereby the employee will always have job satisfaction in the organization. We could say, we can speak about one company that is dealing itself with the consumer credit agency, Experian. It has changed its organization by instilling collaboration and agile development into its workforce. So whenever the employee feels like working for the organization, it implements digitalization and thereby spearhead a fundamental shift in employee focus from equipment to data throughout the company. This is all about the types of digital transformation. Next, what are the benefits of digital transformation? The digital transformation will help the company to remain competitive. In this cutthroat competition era, if any company is not competitive, if it is not competent to compete in the market, then its survival will not be assured. Therefore, digital transformation will help to remain in the competition, because the reason being is the generation Z or millennials, these generations are more of digitally oriented service seekers, product seekers. Therefore, in order to be competitive, it has to see that it is digitalized. And the other benefit of digital transformation is it will end the geographic barriers. After the advent of internet, the globe or the world is called as global village, wherein there is so much interconnectedness with one another. It will supersede all these geographical barriers, and will have more connection with the globe. Anybody from anywhere can do a business. We have social media marketing, we have digital marketing that is transforming the lives of many millennials. And the next is increase employee retention. How it is able to do that? The digital transformation will make the organization to carry out its mundane work, daily work through digitalized services. Employees will be spared to concentrate on more important works where skill is indispensable. It will improve the customer services. We have, this is an era of social connectedness. Social media is able to connect every other person in the world. By connecting them, it is helping to improve the customers. If any organization tries to meet the customer through this media and deliver the services that is being offered in the organization, will always helps to improve the customers' experiences. And we are not in an era where our decision is based on thumb rule or hunch. Every decision is based on data. We have quantum computing, big data analytics, which helps to analyze the tremendous data that is being developed in the process of digitalization. Therefore, the decision making will be precise because the decision making is backed with the data that are available in the organization. So these are the developments that are being taking place because of digital transformation. So this is all about the digital transformation that is pervading the organization. So thank you all for hearing this session. Thank you.